welcome back to the Java tutorial by D Academy. Today we are going to discuss about GRE, what is GRE, JDK and JVM. In many interview, people will ask about you what is the difference between JDK, GRE and JVM. So today we will discuss about what exactly mean by JDK, GRE, JVM. So if first look at this diagram, it is a self-explanatory. It will tell you about the direct the structure and responsibility of each component. If you consider the first, we start with the JDK. JDK is nothing but a Java development kit. When we are going to develop a Java application and Java programs, we need a JDK should be installed in our system. JDK contains some compilation tools and some runtime environment which we need to when we are going to execute our Java application. If you see in our directory structure in program files, we will be seeing one Java folder. In that Java folder, if you went to bin folder, there will be two components. One will be a Java file, Java, and second one will be Java C. Java C is used to compile our Java application and Java program, but Java is used to run our compiled Java program. So JDK is mainly used to create, compile and run our Java application. So JDK contains a JRE and compiler. Compiler means it contains other development toolkits for if you are going to create a runnable Java, which will be including to JDK, which will be considered as a Java web development toolkit. So second one is a GRE. GRE is nothing but a Java runtime environment. When you are giving a compile program to education, when you are running the compile program, that time GRE comes into the picture. What exactly GRE does? GRE is an interpreter which will interpret what the compile program byte program into a machine language, which will contains a JVM plus it is acting as an interpreter. So GRE is used to run the compile program. It is not used to create application. If you see in JDK is used to create, compile and run the Java application, but GRE is used to run the whatever compiler application and the Java application which we are going to run. So major difference between JDK and GRE is compilation. JDK gives some compilation tools which you use to when you are compiling your Java application. So next come to the JVM. In JVM, in last session I have discussed about JVM. JVM is a Java virtual machine. So there are two types of JVM. One is a user defined. There are three types of JVM. JVM is nothing but when you compile the Java program, it converts into a byte class. Byte class gives to the JVM, and JVM is convert that byte class into machine language, whichever machine you have in your system. So in that conversion part, JVM plays an important role. In last session, I have discussed about JVM. There are three types of JVM. One is a simple interpreter, simple JVM. Second one is a JIT. Third one is adaptive. So from that I will discuss about JIT. JIT is a just in compile time, just in time. So whenever this is a compilation task where not compilation task, this is a conversion task. When you are converting byte class into machine language, there are some methods which are constantly called by some programs within your application. So just in JIT, what does JIT does? So JIT capture that methods which are frequently called by our application, and it is converting that method into its respective machine code, and that machine code is stored into the some places. Whenever that method get calls, it will give that machine code to the JVM, and JVM put that machine code into our final machine code. So here the frequently compile conversion from byte class to the machine code is avoided by JIT. So hope you understand what is the exact difference between JDK, JRA and JVM. If you have any doubt, if you have any query about JDK, JRA, you can put in our comment section. We'll try to give the answer for that. So hope you have enjoyed this video and you are clear about these three terminology in Java. In next section we will take the our Java tutorial, the first Java program. For that, thank you.